If you're visiting the south of Sardinia and you want a beautiful beach that won't take your whole day to reach, this one's for you. This is Mari Pintau. It's about 45 minutes south of Cagliari, along the SP17 coastal road toward Villasimius. And the name says it all. Mari Pintau means painted sea. Once you see the color of the water here, you'll understand why. Mari Pintau is a small bay, and that's exactly what makes it special. It's not massive, it's not overcrowded. It's tucked right next to the road, backed by pine trees and Mediterranean scrub. The beach itself is a mix of two sides. On the left, you've got a sandy stretch. On the right, it gets more rocky and pebbly. Now here's the one thing you really need to know before you go. There's no dedicated car park. You park along the side of the road, either on the main stretch that curves down to the beach, or on a smaller side road directly opposite the beach entrance. In summer, this fills up completely. Get there early. Seriously. If you're visiting in July or August, aim for before 9 a.m. And one important note, do not park on a bend. Local police patrol the area. Access is completely free. The beach is open to everyone. On site, you'll find umbrellas and sunbeds available to rent from the beach club. A front row umbrella with 2 beds runs around €40 for the day. If you want, you can call ahead to book. Check their page for current pricing and contact details. Mari Pintau is one of those beaches that's easy to love. It's close to Cagliari, it's free to access, the water is beautiful, and if you get there early enough, it's genuinely peaceful. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe to Best of Sardinia. We're covering the whole island, one spot at a time.